Most people still waste time at checkout because they don't understand how Walmart Pay actually works. They either open the wrong screen, or miss a simple step, and hold up the line. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Pay is not complicated at all. But if you don't set it up correctly before you reach the register, it can feel confusing fast. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Walmart Pay in 2026 step by step, from setup to scanning and payment, so you can check out in seconds. Let's start from the beginning. First, you need the Walmart app installed on your phone. Open it and sign in with your Walmart account. If you don't have one, create it in a few minutes using your email and basic details. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before you even go shopping, you should set up your payment method inside the app. Tap the Walmart Pay section, then add your debit card, credit card, or other supported payment option. Once that is done, you are ready to use it in store. Now imagine you are shopping. Just like Alex, picking up groceries. You finish selecting your items and head to checkout. Instead of pulling out your card, you open the Walmart app. Here comes the key step. Tap Walmart Pay inside the app. It will activate a camera scanner. But here's the problem most people run into. They don't realize they need to scan the QR code at the register screen. The cashier will have a QR code displayed after they start your checkout. Point your phone camera at that code. The app will instantly connect your purchase to your account. Now here is the final step. Confirm your payment on the phone screen. Once approved, your receipt is saved directly in the app. It's done. No card swipe. No cash. No delays. Let's break down a real example. Jake walks into Walmart, grabs his items, and checks out. Instead of fumbling with his wallet, he opens Walmart Pay, scans the register code, confirms payment, and leaves in under 30 seconds. That is the real advantage of this system. Now here's something most people don't realize. Walmart Pay also stores your receipts automatically. So if you need returns or price checks later, everything is already organized inside the app. But remember, it only works at Walmart stores, and only when the cashier's system generates the QR code. If you try to use it outside that flow, it won't work. So let's keep it simple. Open the Walmart app. Set up your payment method. At checkout, tap Walmart Pay. Scan the code. Confirm payment. Done. The biggest mistake people make is trying to use it without preparation or skipping the setup step. Once you do it properly, it becomes one of the fastest checkout methods available. If this helped you understand Walmart Pay clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides like this.